is Sotirelis. I'm a patient representative of people who have a condition called beta thalassemia. Beta thalassemia is a rare, inherited and genetic condition which, due to genetic mutation, affects the synthesis of hemoglobin. As a patient advocate for thalassemia and rare diseases of over 15 years, I was invited to join RD Connect and become a member of the Patient Advisory Council by Registries. Projects like RD Connect are leaders in developing infrastructure, policies and resources in the field of data sharing. The project is very complex and driven by technology. One of the main challenges for members of the Patient Advisory Council, the PAC, has been in keeping abreast with all the developments in the technological field in all the other parts of the program. Advances in the field of computing and bioinformatics means that medical research is increasingly reliant on large teams of researchers who are also in their turn reliant on big data sets related to biobanks and registries. This data can not only be used to treat patients in a better way, but it can be beneficial to patients in many other ways, and therefore it is extremely valuable, particularly for rare diseases. Despite rapid technological developments, lawmakers are still trying to keep pace with the risks and concerns that these technological advances may bring. These advances create a number of concerns, particularly in the areas of achieving privacy, obtaining informed consent, and crucially, maintaining the trust of the public in these new technologies. For the PAC members, understanding the impact that these technological advances would have on the ethical, legal, and social issues of patients was another challenge that we had to face. The major contribution of PAC members is not only to safeguard how these data sharing issues are dealt with and managed within the program. By being ambassadors from within our own patient communities, we are able to link up our respective patient groups and population together with scientists, researchers and clinicians, and together to be able to find common solutions. Just as scientists are breaking down the lack of communication between the various platforms and modules of RD Connect, likewise we as PAC members are able to break down those silos by communicating with each other and also communicating with the researchers, the scientists and the technologists in RD Connect. However, RD Connect is not only about sharing data. It is not about developing new technologies and making progress. It is also about human progress. It is where we assert collective preferences and we communicate them within universal values. It is also about the richness and added value that patient perspectives bring to the entire project. This is of paramount importance for undiagnosed diseases and for rare diseases that have no curative therapies at the moment.